Hello, Matthew. For today, we are going to be working on your goal 3. So for your goal number 3, it says, by the end of 9 instructional weeks, given visual verbal model prompts and word problems, visuals, triangles, parallelograms, squares, rectangles, and trapezoids, Matthew will find the perimeter by using the appropriate formulas. Okay, so let's review. What is a perimeter? Area and perimeter. Perimeter means you add all 4 sides. You add all 4 sides. For today, we're only going to be focusing on perimeter, not area. So perimeter would be, if you have a 16 here, you have a 16 right here. If you have 9 feet here, you have 9 feet over here. And you could always use your anchor chart, which you have it right there. So it would be 9 plus 16 plus 9 plus 16 equals 50 feet. So 50 feet would be your perimeter for this particular rectangle. So moving on to your assignment for today. This one would be your 3rd assignment on the IEP goal number 3. So you're going to find the area of the rectangulars shown. So 8 and 2. If you have an 8 right here, what goes right here? Another 8. And so if you have an 8 right here, you would have another 8 right here. And then the same thing for this side. You would have a 2. So what would you do? You would do, your problem would look like this. 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals, so let's count. You could use your calculator for this, but we already know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. And 16 plus 8 plus 8 equals 16. So 16 plus 4 equals 20. Sixteen plus 4 equals 20. So your perimeter would be 20 cm. And right here, you're showing your work for this particular answer, number 1. So you're going to do the same thing here, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to the bottom. And when you're done, you can take a picture of it. So now, moving on to your goal number 4. For your goal number 4, you will define points, lines, line segments, and rays. So let's move on to your anchor chart. What is a point? A point is pictured by a dot. It is named with a capital letter. This is point A. Line segment. A line segment is a straight path between 2 points. This is a line segment, BC or CB. It is written BC or CB. Line. A line is a straight path that goes on forever in both directions. This is line DE or ED. It is written DE or ED with the line here. and a ray. A ray is a straight path that goes on forever in one direction. This is a ray, FG. It is written FG with this particular line on the top. So this would be your anchor chart, which you have it there too. And let's move on to your assignment. This would also be your third page of your IEP book in Goal 4. So using your anchor chart, you would be answering the following questions. Which one of the following is a line segment? So let's go back to your anchor chart. And let's see, a line segment. So a line segment, we already know it's a straight path between 2 points with 2 dots here on top of each letter. So let's go back to your assignment. And this one looks like a line segment. This one doesn't. Not this one or not this one. This one is not even in the anchor chart. So we would mark letter A as your, sorry, I'm working with it. We would mark letter A as your answer. This is wrong, this is wrong, and this is wrong. So go ahead and work on the next problems by yourselves. And if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Thank you.